can't see. They cannot. Now, nervous. This is my source.
Brayden, where'd you go?
Right here.
Oh, you're being silly. Oh, no, sir. You don't throw them at Mommy. Oh, Brayden! You hit her in the face. Be careful. I thought you weren't going to take them once.
Excuse you.
Sorry. Are you playing with your brother? Baby Mark? Hi, Boo! Are you trying to climb up to Mommy?